Actinogen is an Australian biotechnology company focused on the development of novel treatments for Alzheimer's disease and other major age-related neurodegenerative diseases. Results from the company's second Phase 1 multiple ascending dose trial in humans are due mid-year, and a Phase 2 study has been slated for later this year. I'm Lelda Smeets, and joining me at ASX Investor Series in Sydney is the company's CEO, Dr Bill Ketelbey. Bill, welcome to FNN.
Thank you.
So Actinogen's lead drug candidate, Howzanmm, is undergoing a clinical trial. Could you explain what you're trying to determine?
We're trying to determine the full efficacy of Howzanmm in Alzheimer's disease. The preclinical work has been done over many years in animals, medicinal chemistry work has been done, and the first human studies have been done in volunteers. But the first Alzheimer's patients, the first dementia patients, will be trialed starting next year. And over the following 2 years, we're seeking to determine the true efficacy of our compound in Alzheimer's disease.
Could you explain how Howzanmm works and also how it's different to other proposed treatments of Alzheimer's?
Howzanmm works by inhibiting cortisol production. Cortisol is the stress hormone, and it's been shown that cortisol is elevated in Alzheimer's patients. Elevated cortisol causes memory loss, causes plaquing in the brain, causes neural death, the sort of hallmarks of Alzheimer's. By switching it off, you're able to reverse those problems, in particular the memory loss. We've got that evidence in animals. We've got it indirectly in humans. What we're after is showing directly in humans with our product that we can improve the memory deficiency of Alzheimer's.
If you could explain what the next steps are in the clinical trial.
So we've got all of the early preliminary work done. We now need to go into the Phase 2 trial, which is the definitive efficacy trial in Alzheimer's. It takes a lot of planning, a lot of development to get there, and importantly, we had to put together an advisory board of specialists, Alzheimer's specialists, who would help us design that clinical trial. We've done that. We've had the first meeting of the team. They've put together the protocol, and we've now got 6 months of planning, of logistics planning, of accessing all our third-party providers to be able to begin the study early next year.
So finally, Bill, what is the cost for currently treating Alzheimer's disease, and how are these figures changing year to year?
You know, the biggest problem with Alzheimer's disease is the growth, the inexorable growth in the population that's developing Alzheimer's. Currently, it's the second leading cause of death in Australia. The cost of treating Alzheimer's in the next generation will be over $1 trillion in the US, and the current therapies are just not adequate enough. The market needs, the community needs, the researchers need new approaches to treating Alzheimer's, and we hope that we are presenting just that.
Excellent. Well, Bill Ketelbey, thank you for the update from Actinogen.
Thank you.